Hello and welcome. This is 13 and 17 minutes, meaning it is 1 p.m. and 17 minutes past 1 p.m. And I am based in the Elbe-Weser North Sea Triangle. This is my first sharing that I am posting here on YouTube. I'm totally new to this, so please bear with me. As I dedicate my audio sharings and my voice and the energy coming through this voice from my origin, and I dedicate it to sharings that have the intention to support the self-healing ability of your animal, your pet, the nature and land, and in this case, encourage you as a human caretaker or guardian or companion of the animals, the nature, and the land in your area. This is coming from my heart of hearts, and I was guided to start 2023 in doing this. And if you're wondering, because it is still 31st of December 2022 in many parts of the Northern Hemisphere, there are places that already celebrate the 1st of January 2023, such as small islands, and then obviously going to other areas. And so it is already New Year in parts of this globe. However, I personally also feel we are already in the new earth, or what you may describe this 26,000 year cycle, or whatever cycle we follow. If you are a sensitive person, then you can feel or perceive in many ways that the new earth is here and the old system is already gone. What we're facing is kind of the surf or the backlash of the shadow that is kind of still playing out here, as this old system is still having this, let's call it, shop front, and therefore maybe in your personal life you rather feel you wade through the mud and face a storm, or find yourself in circumstances that you may have never thought you would, considering that most of us born here as very intelligent, very sensitive beings have a zest for life, have a love for life, and then You know, life happens and you master going through the changing experiences that we have, and your life force sometimes gets low. May this be through ascension symptoms, or may this be through too much stress, may this be because of a lot of, yes, let's call it the blanket of fear, or let's call it mm, kind of cloud cover that feels like it is full of mm, emotions that push down. And sometimes it may be difficult to experience what is yours and what is not. And in the end, we all have our talents. And so, in times of feeling alone, in times of feeling overwhelmed, in times of not knowing what to do next, in moments of going through the void or the darkness or past timelines or experiences of extreme shock. If I use this language, I cringe inside because none of the words really describe what I wish to describe. But for any of those times when you feel you may need a little support, this is why I speak here. And my heart feels very close to the animals on this planet, particularly the domesticated animals at this point, because they are very sensitive, they're very kind, and their life is often dedicated to supporting their human caretakers, so us,